Leçon 3, une journée de Pauline. Lesson number 3, a whole day or the entire day of Pauline. Jour is day, journée refers to the entire day. Then here we get to know the pronominal verb. Pronominal verbs are the verbs in which the action is done on the person who is doing it. For example, we get up. So the action of getting up is done by me on myself. Okay. So normally in the infinitive form, the verb will be in this way, se réveiller. The verb se réveiller, it means to wake up. So in the infinitive form, you can observe that the verb is having, this is the verb part of the noun, verb part, and this is the pronominal part. So the pronoun part of that verb. So when it is conjugated, okay, mostly these verbs are ending with er, so they follow the er endings. If you observe the verb part, with the je it is e, tu es, ilnl e, nu ons, vous is, ilnl ent. And this pronoun part also, with the je it becomes to me, tu, te, for ilnl it is se, with nu it is nu, vous it is vous, and with ilnl it is se. Okay, so here Pauline et Akansha discutent. Pauline and Akansha discussing. Bonjour Akansha, ça va bien? Hello Akansha, are you fine? Ça va bien, merci. I'm fine, thank you. Tu te réveilles à quelle heure? What time do you wake up? Je me réveille à 7 heures. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Mon frère Kunal et mes parents se réveillent plus tôt, vers 6h30. My brother Kunal and my parents wake up a bit early, by 6:30. Mon père part pour son travail à 8h30. My father leaves for his office at 8:30. Et toi, and you, tu te réveilles à quelle heure? What time do you wake up? Moi, à 6h45. I wake up at 6:45. Ensuite, then, je fais ma toilette. Here, je fais ma toilette refers to I get ready, freshen up. Je m'habille, I dress up, pronominal verb, et je prends ma petit déjeuner à 7h45. I take my breakfast at 7:45. Petit déjeuner is breakfast. Moi, je prends ma petit déjeuner à 8h. Me, I take my breakfast at 8 p.m., 8 a.m. Qu'est-ce que tu prends au petit déjeuner? What do you take during your breakfast? Je mange du pain avec de la confiture. I eat some bread with jam. Et je bois un bol de chocolat chaud. And I drink a bowl of hot chocolate. Quelquefois, at times, le dimanche, on Sundays, nous prenons des croissants. We take that croissant bread. Chez nous, in our house, on prend des céréales ou des tartines beurrées. We take cereals or the buttered toasts. Mon frère adore le pain au chocolat. My brother likes chocolate bun. Le dimanche, on Sundays, nous mangeons des plats indiens comme le dosa. On Sundays, we eat the Indian dishes like dosa. Le dosa? Dosa. C'est un plat indien très populaire. C'est vraiment délicieux. It's a very popular Indian dish and it is very delicious. Okay, so here we are talking about, describing about the day. Matin, in the morning, le matin. So, regarde ce que fait Pauline. Look what she's doing. Pauline is doing in the morning. 6:30, 6h30, she wakes up. Réveil. 6:45, she gets up. Okay, wake up, then get up from the bed. 6:45, se lève, brushes her teeth, se brosse les dents, and she has a wash, take a bath, se lave, and she dresses up herself. Elle s'habille, takes her breakfast, prend son petit déjeuner, and she goes to the school, va au lycée. At noon, elle déjeune, she has lunch in the canteen, school canteen. Après-midi, in the afternoon, 16h, Pauline rentre du lycée. By 4 p.m., she comes back from the school. In French, we use 24-hour system, since the word AM, PM is not used. Then, 6h45, elle fait ses devoirs, she does her homework. 18h, she goes for a walk, se promène. And 19:10, that is 7:10. These never these, elle regarde la télé, she watches television. In the night, elle se couche, à 22h, she goes to sleep at 10 p.m. So the same way, you should be able to talk about your day-to-day activity. When you're talking up the time, you say, tu es en avance, you are early. Tu es en retard, you're late. Sorry, tu es à l'heure, you're on time. Tu es en retard, you're late. The verb is attendre, to wait. Attendre, to wait. So here, aujourd'hui, Paul a un rendez-vous avec Marie devant le cinéma à 5 heures. Today, Paul has an appointment with Marie in front of the cinema theater at 5 p.m. Il attend devant le cinéma. He's waiting for her in front of the cinema. The verb attendre is an RE verb. It's an irregular verb. So learn the conjugation as given here. This is in the present tense. Then another important aspect of a day-to-day activity is the meals, les repas. Masculine word here, it is in plural form. Even in singular form, the repas will have the S. The morning we take petit déjeuner, breakfast. In the afternoon we take déjeuner, lunch, and goûter, tea time. And dîner we take dinner in the soir, in the evening. So whenever you are talking about food items, we use an unspecified quantity called some. Have some food, have some water. Here the word some means refers to quantity, but it is not measured. Some means maybe a cup or a bottle, we don't know. So in French we use du. The article of partitive is used to for unspecified active what is the quantity. Du for masculine singular word, de la feminine singular, the L apostrophe for masculine singular or feminine singular words, nouns beginning with a vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U, H and Y, and plural is they. Okay, for example here, je prends du pain, I take some bread. But when I'm telling negative form, je ne prends pas the pain only I should use. In negative form, the article partitive du, de la, the apostrophe de will become into de. So remember, whenever you want to transform a sentence into negative form, that is not, look at the verb, before the verb you keep na. When the conjugated verb is there, before the conjugated verb you keep na, and after the conjugated verb put pa, then that sentence will become in the negative form. So this is about article partitive. Then what and all we eat in general. This is telling about the French people. So petit déjeuner for breakfast, bol de café noir, black coffee, café au lait, coffee with milk, chocolat, hot chocolate drink, tartine toast avec du beurre butter et des croissants and croissant bread. Déjeuner is lunch, principalement, entrée, repas important, 3 à 4 plats. Means it's a important meal with 3 or 4 dishes in it. Dans les villes de travailler, les écoliers déjeunent souvent sur le lieu de leur travail, restaurant, cantine ou panier repas. Okay, normally in the cities, those who are working and the school children have lunch in their places, or that means in their offices, or in their school, in a restaurant, or in school canteen, or they carry the lunch box. Panier repas is lunch box. On for tea time, goûter, snack time, the children take bread and chocolate, pain et chocolat, and the adults take tea, is tea, and cakes. Then for dinner, potage, soup. Des entrées means starters like dessert, eggs, du poisson, fish, charcuterie, pork items, des légumes, vegetables, salad, vert, green salad, fromage, cheese, du desserts, and the desserts like fruits, yogurt. And it is normally dinner is a repas familial par excellence. That means normally the dinner time is a family time. The lunch is had, so dinner is had together with all the family members, because morning time they're busy to go to the office or the school. Lunch time they are in their place of school or office. So dinner is a time to meet and they talk about their whole day. Raconte means they narrate their day, what they did during the dinner. And also we are talking about the subjects here. So the main attention you have to pay on the subject B2I is le brevet informatique internet, subject related to computer science, EPS, sports, physique et sportive, and it's PET. Okay, and for subjects in French we call it them as la matière. The word matière stands for subject. So whenever you have a subject, we like some subjects. So for liking, we use the verb aimer. We hate, we don't like, détester. Again, it's an ER verb. we'll like too much some subjects, so adore, and we may prefer also when two subjects are offered which we prefer, so we use je préfère. And also when you're going to narrate, what you do first, for that we use d'abord, first of all, then the word puis, then, après also, afterwards, ensuite also means then, enfin, at last. So these words could be added. First I wake up, then I have my lunch. For that purpose, we can use these words in between when you're writing the paragraph. Then talking about the time, by looking at the picture, you have to narrate what are they doing. Okay, so if you see, the first one is prend son petit déjeuner. This person is taking the breakfast. So this one it is. Another one is sortir is to go out. So this person is going out. Seras is to shave, and sebi is to dress up. Okay, so you should be able to, even all this the day-to-day activity we are doing on ourselves, you can check while doing what is it. Then writing a simple message. You're inviting your friend to go to the cinema theater. Je vais au cinéma mercredi le 7 décembre vers 6h30. Vous venez avec moi. I'm going to cinema on Wednesday, 7th September, sorry, December at 6:30 p.m. Are you coming with me, Pauline? If you agree, you have to say d'accord, okay. D'accord pour mercredi, merci. I've agreed for Wednesday. Désolé means sorry. J'ai un contrôle de maths à l'école. I have a maths test at the school the following day. So, merci quand même, Sandrine. Anyhow, thank you. So again, you can describe the entire day using all these things. Réveil means wake up, so you can use the verb se réveiller. Douche means shower, so se laver. Here, only the nouns have been given. You have to find out which verb will match. Petit déjeuner, prendre, arriver. Cours means class. Pause déjeuner, lunch break. Cours means class. Départ means departure for the house. Promenade, go for a walk. Devoir is homework here. Dîner, ordinateur is computer. Lit means on the bed. So all here, you should be able to narrate the day. Then we have article contracte, a, o, ala, il apostrophe, aux. A should be followed by proper noun. O for a masculine singular, ala feminine singular, il apostrophe, masculine singular or feminine singular beginning with a vowel, a, e, i, o, u, h, and y. Ala feminine singular, aux is plural. Then again we have article, this is article contracte, de, du, de la. Okay. So this our ala, it is for if you want to say I'm going to some place, I'm talking to someone. Okay, I'm explaining something to someone. For that purpose it is used. And this is article contracted de, du, de la. It is one thing is if you want to say I am coming from some place, for that purpose. And belonging, the book is belong, the apostrophe s system is not in French, so we use this one. For example, the dress of the actors. So here we will use actrice is beginning with vowel, so de l apostrophe. Les robes de l'actrice means the actress dresses are beautiful. Okay, the dress is belonging to actress. Here rentre means to return from the library. Bibliothèque is library. So coming from, belonging to. For that purpose we use du, de la. These are not article partitif, these are called as article contracté. These both of them are called as les articles contractés. Two groups are there in the article contracté. This one and also this one. It's clear. Then next exercise is about partitif, the food items. Pain is masculine, soup is feminine, dessert it's masculine plural. Okay, again pain masculine, confiture jam feminine. O is water feminine, but it's beginning with vowel, so L apostrophe has to be used. This is how French people show the numbers using their hands. Then given a pyramid, food pyramid, what you should eat more and what you should eat less. Okay, so just a general introduction on this one. Okay,